Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to turn off pop-up blocker on iPhone. Let's go. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you find Safari. Once you've found it, tap on it. Now what you want to do next is scroll down a bit. And under General, there is the Block Pop-ups option. Go ahead and toggle off the switch next to Block Pop-ups. Now you've successfully turned off the pop-up blocker on Safari. Now you can go back to Safari and go to that website where you want to access the pop-up, and it should work without being blocked. Now you can control of your Safari browsing experience. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.